got to have come off. It's got to have come off.
Last week at Driffield he goes, well, it's been nice riding with you today, Nick.
You were doing a 4-hour enduro on his own.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man.
Kilburn with RAW Enduro. Oh god. So we've done 2 laps already, a sighting lap and then a little lap, and wow. I must say I'm a bit dubious about going back out for this lap. I've been stuck about 20 million times. Big Rick in front just keeps shit facing me. It don't matter what bike you've got, if you've got a noddy, if you've got a fucking 50cc Aprilia, or if you've got a 450, it's just a right fucking buzz getting them a blip. Failed wheelie. Right, how much you betting I come off in first 2 minutes? Down here's even bad, and this isn't even part of track yet. Oh, cheers, Rick. Smoked him! Oh no, I had. Oh. I don't like this bit. In fact, I hate it. Oh. If you had a fucking camera on my legs now. Oh my god. What a fucking idiot. It's like ice. I don't know why I'm laughing. Seriously. It's not even funny. Go on, Harry. Get down here. That's gotta be Big Rick. And it is. So how you do it, baby? Ooh, to be fair, I was a bit scared then. How am I going to do it? I ain't been down here before. Ooh. Remember to breathe, Nick. Remember to breathe. And everybody's waiting here again. Yeah, my mate Jason. When did he pass me? tractor along. This is my game, going slow. Ah, this is an horrible bit. This is an horrible bit. The plan is, get up here, come back down field and wait there for everybody. I did it again! Whee! Hey! Yeah. Back to just, no matter what bike you've got, you need to give enduro paint plays a go. It's awesome. And even for a guy who's not that toned as the usual guy, I must say I've got a bit of a beer belly on me. Oh, let's see it, guys, see if they're here. Come on, boy. Give me some beans, lad. Gosh, he must have come up. Oh. How did I get up here? An untalented bike rider. How did I get up here? I can't help anybody because there's a big barbed wire fence here, and to be honest, I can't be arsed either. So this is RAW Enduro in Kilburn with Wayne Baybrook. I've known Wayne for a long time. He used to do quad enduros back in the day when we all used to do RAW 4. That were awesome as well. It's a little bit harder on two wheels, to be honest. You've got to keep remembering to balance. That's one thing I need to get better at, balancing. Anyway, I'll stop talking shite now and just let you watch these guys. Oh, I can see Harry, number 5 there. Oh, all you can smell is bikes overheating, boiling up. Go on, Chloe. Rick, where have you been? Come on! I bet they think I'm taking a shortcut. I'm not either, no cheating going on. He looks a pro. Hill. Honestly though, the ground, it's just, to be fair, it's pretty perfect conditions. It's just, I think it's rained last night and it's just made all this here like ice. Now people start to push in, which just fucking proper makes me laugh. You see some people's faces when people have pushed in. Go on, Harry!